Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to upload a YouTube video which is basically at a private mode, but if you want to public it, I will show you how to do it. First of all, you have to go to your YouTube, and if you're using a phone, make sure that you are visiting YouTube through a browser, and also turn on the request desktop mode on your phone. Then you have to go to YouTube, then you have to go to your YouTube Studio. Here tap on this option called YouTube Studio, and after clicking onto it, click on your video which is at private and you wish to make it public. So after clicking on it, you can see the option called visibility, this one, visibility. And after that, you have to tap onto that option, and here you can see that there is three options: private, unlisted, and public. And if your video is on public, I mean private, you just have to tap onto public, and then you have to tap onto this blue icon called save. Tap onto it, and that's it, your video is now published publicly. So that's it, this is as simple as that. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more of this type of helpful content. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.